You are about to experience the United Animal Kingdom of Walmart on Black Friday. Enjoy.
I said all over a bar.
Yeah, you can't video.
Oh, you guys can video us, but we can't video you?
Yeah, this is our store though.
Oh,
I apologize. You gotta turn it off.
It's alright. You're the Walmart Nazi police, right?
No sir.
No, sir?
No, sir. If you
Socialist?
could. Huh?
Are you socialist?
Yeah, no, but if you videotape me without my permission,
Right.
that's against my legal.
Okay.
Right?
Right.
Is it not? So
Okay.
I would appreciate it if
So
you know where
shouldn't everyone
So if you
have
could,
to sign a waiver when they come in here?
if you turn it off, appreciate it.